Remote Control Productions, Incorporated is a film score company run by composer Hans Zimmer and based in Santa Monica, California. Originally known as Media Ventures Entertainment Group, which was conceived and founded by Jay Rifkin and Hans Zimmer, the company changed its name after the partners both filed lawsuits against each other. Today, Remote Control is home to a large group of composers mentored by Zimmer, many of whom have had successful film scoring careers as part of the company or on their own. Remote Control Productions has been responsible for the scores for a number of successful live-action films including the Pirates of the Caribbean movies, Iron Man, Gladiator, Mission Impossible 2, The Last Samurai, Transformers, Hancock, Kingdom of Heaven, The Da Vinci Code, Inception, Sherlock Holmes and its sequel, and the Dark Knight trilogy, along with successful animated films such as the Shrek series, Kung Fu Panda, Madagascar, The Lion King, and more. Many composers from Remote Control Productions have also worked on the scores of successful video games such as the Metal Gear and Skylanders series, The Sims 3, Gears of War 2, Call of Duty, Modern Warfare, its sequel, Call of Duty, Modern Warfare 2, Crysis 2, Assassin's Creed, Revelations, and Assassin's Creed 3. Harry Gregson Williams was the first Media Ventures composer to work in the video game industry on Metal Gear Solid 2, Sons of Liberty in 2001. Klaus Badelt, Stephen Button, Steve Jablonski, Lorne Balfe, and Hans Zimmer joined a few years later.
Thanks, Red. Anyways, composers who are working or have worked with Hans Zimmer at Remote Control Productions include and composers of Remote Control Productions who are working or have worked in the video game industry. Ramin Djawadi for Medal of Honor, Warfighter, Gears of War 4, and Gears 5, James Dooley for Epic Mickey, SOCOM 3 U.S. Navy SEALs, SOCOM U.S. Navy SEALs 13 Bravo, SOCOM U.S. Navy SEALs 13 Bravo 2, SOCOM U.S. Navy SEAls Combined Assault, Infamous, Spider-Man Shattered Dimensions, and Infamous 2, Harry Gregson Williams for Metal Gear Solid 2 Sons Have Liberty, Metal Gear Solid 3 Snake Eater, Metal Gear Solid 4 Guns of the Patriots, Metal Gear Solid V Ground Zeroes, Call of Duty 4 Modern Warfare, Call of Duty Advanced Warfare, and Plasma Pong. Steve Jablonski for Metal Gear Solid 2 Sons Have Liberty, Gears of War 2, Gears of War 3, The Sims 3, and Gears of War Judgment, Painter Tepic for 99 Nights, and Hans Zimmer for Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2, Crysis 2, Beyond, Two Souls, and Skylanders Spyro's Adventure.